80% of people would like to die at home, and only about 15% of people actually achieve this goal, which is an appalling gap between values and reality. I've developed a model, the Mallon Model. Very simple, only 3 roles, easy to reproduce, very flexible and adaptable. It's for end-of-life doulas, palliative care workers, anyone who works in compassionate communities, and supports the dying and their friends and family networks. Its aim is to eliminate carer burnout and to help communities of people around someone at end of life feel that they're making a meaningful contribution without being pushed beyond their comfort zones and limits. Come to a training workshop. You'll not only learn the superpowers of each role, but also how to tailor the role most effectively to suit individual circumstance so you can better support the dying and their care networks in your local community. See you soon.